Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to find on which installed apps sensitive permissions are allowed or not in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases, just click on it. Once again, scroll down below again. Now you'll see here privacyscanner.apk. So you need to download this APK file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on open, click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you will see one option written scan apps. Just click on it. So now you can see here, it will display all the install apps, and you can see here high risk written. As you can see, you can just click on the respective apps to check what are allowed, what are not allowed. So you can see here which sensitive permissions has been allowed here. You can check out. So it has a long list. So you can check out what are the permissions are being allowed for the respective application. So all this high risk means that the sensitive permissions are allowed for the respective application. So you can see here high risk, medium risk, low risk, safe. So you can see no sensitive permissions allowed. So you can just click on it. So you can see here only a few permissions are being allowed for this respective application. That means no sensitive permissions are allowed. So it's written safe. So you can see here no sensitive permission allowed. So by using this application named as Privacy Scanner, you can easily find out on which installed apps sensitive permissions are allowed or not in Android smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.